Dumelang Botswana. My name is Chatapiwa Phuti. I come from Masunga, a village that has taught me both hard work and community. Today I am going to share with you my story.
I am a graduate, and right now I'm using my voice to support young people in my community. I understand the struggle after graduating. Many of us have skills but few opportunities. I have lived it. That is why I went out to meet young people in Masunga. I met a photographer building his brand, a chef cooking with purpose, a tailor turning fabric into dreams, and a footballer chasing his goal. They are not waiting for chances, they are creating them, and I believe they deserve to be seen and supported. As Miss Universe Botswana 2027, the impact I want to make is simple. I want to create opportunities for youth. I want to build programs that help us start small businesses in fashion, food, arts, and sports. I want to partner with schools, companies, and communities to make this happen.
I am ready to show young girls that leadership can look like us. And I will use this platform to make sure that no young person feels forgotten. Thank you very much.